Sanibona bafethu and welcome to Starting 11 channel. Bafethu namhlanje i-8 February 2026. So sizile sizokhuluma indaba ye-exam i-CAF Champions League ngoba sazi ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns iyadlala namhlanje neLimpopo. So sibuda hamba kanjani?
Chapu kunjani boss?
Ngigrand. This is the calm before the storm. Yeah, episode. So sizo unpack ukuthi ihamba kanjani ama chances Mamelodi Sundowns kwi-CAF Champions League ngoba sazi ukuthi babhale exam namhlanje later sizobuya futhi nenye video khona namhlanje sizo analyze ukuthi game yabo neLimpopo ihambe kanjani. So as ama standings group C kwi-CAF Champions League 2026 kuqala iAl Hilal ibe na 5 games ewadlalile ina 8 points. Kuze MC Alger yase Algeria coachwa ucoach Rulani Mokwena. Then ina 7 points. Then bese kuza i-team kaKadoso ina 4 games ina 5 points. iMamelodi Sundowns ilandele iLimpopo lezo bidlala nayo namhlanje ina 4 games with 4 points. Shuthi iLimpopo average 1 point per game.
Yeah, because 4 points, 4 games.
Yeah.
That means
maybe
draw or
win,
lose,
draw.
but
Yeah.
kune-win eyi-1 kune-draw eyi-1 lapho.
Yeah. So sizongena kwiMamelodi Sundowns lama games lawa awu4 iwadlale kanjani. So nge-25 November 2025 yadlala ekhaya. Idlala nani neLimpopo. Yakora ama goals awu3. Kwaqala uNuno Santos 4 minutes. Bo. Wabuya futhi ngo-74. Bo. Wafika noAlende 61 minutes. Bo. Man of the match kwaba uNuno Santos because wakora amagoli awu2 waba ne-impact right egamini. Then 3 days later bahamba bayodlala eAlgeria bedlala neMC Alger ya Rulani Mokwena. So first game 3 points. Then bahamba ba away bafike ba draw ngo-0-0. Man of the match ngiyakhumbula kwaba uAlende. So that's 4 points.
Yeah.
Then babuya this year 23 January 2026. Base babedlala ekhaya bedlala neAl Hilal.
Yeah.
La ba draw khona ngo-2-2. Ma scorers kwaba Atasales 22 minutes wabuya Mokwena washaya iscoach 64 minutes yeah. Then man of the match kwaba umjita weAl Hilal.
Yeah.
Then base behamba nge-30 bathi ayisayilanda leAl Hilal le. Yafika yabathela induku yathi 2-1. Yeah, yabahlaba ngo-2-1. Ukhumbula Atasales wakora ngo-61 minutes. Then ke namhlanje okay so njengamanje kulama games awu4 badlale 2 home 2 away. Bese ekhaya bawine yodwa. Ba draw yodwa. Away abakaze bewine lutho.
Yeah, ne.
Ba is either bathela induku or bayashawa.
Or bayadraw.
Yes, so ama fixtures namhlanje izobidlala neLimpopo. Then so sijabule noDali nge-14 February leli viki idlale neLokhunja neMC Alger.
Kusho ukuthi kuyabaphoqa ukuthi bayiwine le game yanamhlanje.
Yeah,
yabaphoqa nothi bathole u3 points wabo ozobanika 8 points balingane number 2 oyiMC Alger ngomdlalo wabo wesi5.
Okay, mabe wina namhlanje.
Yeah.
Bazolingana no number 1. Number 1 na 8.
Oh, no number 1.
Yes, bazolingana no number 1 iAl Hilal na 8. So bona mabengenza sure ukuthi kodwa mabengenza sure ukuthi bakora amagoli amaningi bese bengaconcede noma bengakora 4 goals. Bese bengaconcede. Bazokwazi ukuhlala number 1 with lo.
Yeah, we group C.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then so remember say iLimpopo ithola average 1 point per game.
Yeah.
iMamelodi Sundowns ka Mikel Cardoso average 1.25 points per game. so ngoba inama points awu5 emidlalweni u4
yeah
then for iSundowns ukuze ihambe iphume kule group because le group kuhamba 2 kusala 2 so kumele iwawine lama games awu2 yeah namhlanje nje neLupopo kumele enze sure futhi ukuthi bayamshaya uRolani Mkwena nge14 mayihlulwa yilokho kumele iminye ukuthi angilaba sebedlala e5-5 Al Hilal neMC Alger kumele yenze sure ukuthi ayiwin angazi kuzoyenza kanjani sure ukuthi la amanye amateam awawin angazi kodwa ke isimo simi kanjalo ama data bundles Michael Gadoso okudrawa nokuluza asephelile
kuChampions League okusho ukuthi iMC Alger yenze umsebenzi omuhle ukushaya iAl Hilal
yes
nge Friday cause ayitholanga point ilokhu uthi Al Hilal la
yes yabo bantu iwinile lapha ngabe mhlawumbe sekuphelile ngabe yonke qualify
ngabe sey already qualifying ngoba ayisezukuficwa umuntu nokuthi uma iwina le game elandela esele ku obvious ukuthi isiwelele ngaphesheya not unless uma iluza
yes okay then ama bundles ama data bundles Michael Gadoso okuluza kwiCAF Champions League aphelile depleted umbona uVodacom esethi your data bundles has been depleted
bese MTN athi you run out of data
yes then mawukuthi uyayiluza igame eyodwa Michael Gadoso out
ubuye uzodlala iNetbank
ijazi ligcwala moya ngeke sayidlale umsebenzi kaMichael Gadoso win iCAF Champions League
basamfuni kanti
umsebenzi wakhe ukuwina iCAF Champions League
umfana Doso
uyahamba
uDoso lwane
uyahamba ngiyakutshela
ayisho mfana
ngiyakutshela then ke ake sithi qabqaba kuma games eAl Hilal leyo number 1 with 5 games 8 points nge 21 November last year 2025 yadlala neMC Alger ekhaya yawina ngo2-1 then nge30 yadlala neLupopo yadraw ngo1-1 then nge23 this year yadlala neMamelodi Sundowns yes kwaba idraw ya 2-2 sengishilo leyo game then nge30 eyisekhaya la yafika babhaqabula khona abafana beMamelodi Sundowns bathi nje bengena kuma flights bebuya ngapha ekhaya babengayithandi indaba so ekhaya sebedlala ama games awu2 iAl Hilal bawina o2 so they know ukuthi iCAF Champions League idlala kanjani ama games asekhaya you make sure ukuthi you win them yabo then away yadlala ama games awu3 draw 2 yaluza 1 then iAl Hilal yenza kahle kakhulu because nasekhaya idlala kahle inama games awu7 ina 17 points so kwi league yabo nje so bayenza kahle ngeke uzosho ukuthi kuyaliwa kwi-country yabo so sibo ungene kule MC Alger neLupopo ukuthi bame kanjani
nginibulise futhi bakwethu
yebo
siseke kuyo group C WACAF away test
exam baba
oyithi exam
yes
lesicacisa kahle makuphela inyanga
ku monthly stats
kodwa ngoba sisekuyi middle inyanga
so let's osha
ngizongena kwiLupopo leyo number gcina edlale 4 games yana 4 points
showcase
isegcineni
1 point per game
22 November 2025
showcase
ibhekane neSundowns away laba ithela isimbambamba khona ngo3-1
showcase
kwaphela njalo babuyela ekhaya bedinwe induku
babeqeda kuphapha futhi bekhipha iMorocco lapha yes we Champions League phela iLupopo yona yakhipha iOrlando Pirates
iyona yenza njalo
yabadabula kabi iyona yabakhipha kwi-exam so mabetshela ukuthi babedraw neMamelodi Sundowns bathi hayi ke ama team ase South Africa sowakhipha kodwa sazi kusengenzeka iLupopo iqopha umlando ikhipha ama team ase South Africa u2 kwiCAF Champions League kusengenzeka it's possible with the likes of Gadoso and Matthews and them
umdlalo olandelayo weLupopo
showcase
idlala kuphi home ne-MC Alger
yeah bayibhaxabuli MC Alger 2-1
yeah ngo-30 November
yeah
yeah
ngikhumbula lo game
yeah MC Alger kwaKoro Ramos
okay
yeah kwaba umdlalo wange-25 January kule nyanga
lenyanga endlule
uJanuary konje sesimqedile
sesiku
February manje
showcase
yeah iLupopo again idlala home
showcase
ibhekane neMC Alger again la khona yawina ngo-1-0
showcase
goli lango 90 plus
okay
usuthi kwase kuyophela umdlalo bathola leyo nhlahla leyo ke yabo ukamputu yena owakora lelo goli yabo umdlalo olandelayo i1 February kuyo lenyanga
eqeda kuqala nje
yeah babhekene nani away neMC Alger ila khona bayithola induku iMC Alger yadliwa ngo-1-0 kulomdlalo wokuqala bebhekene neLupopo owesibili yabuyisa induku ngamagoli ayi2 eqandeni idlala home yeah shawa iLupopo lapho Holland ngicabanga ukuthi bese ku West 4 loyo we Lupopo
showcase
yeah iLupopo yeah inewin A1
iLupopo away
yeah
kodwa vele groupini
home
okay
yeah,
home
3 points home
iyona yodwa iwin vele abanayo
iyona yodwa kulama games awu4
abanayo showcase
yeah
singayibale eKipi Pirates yayingafiki kuma group stages yeah singayibale sibalele yamanje yeah okusama qualifier lapho yeah singayibale Pirates yeah singayibale ngayinaki balandeli beBuccaneer leyo part indluleni yeah
then baba ne draw home
okay
oku 1 point
that's 4 points man
that's 4 points
then evalo kokwaba isibhaqo kuphela
isibhaqo away
isibhaqo home
isibhaqo futhi ama losses abo ayi2 yeah
home away
yeah lama losses lawa i-away loss i1 i-home loss i1
yeah
then idlale kanjalo ke iLupopo kusho ukuthi ina 4 points that means by miracle lama club lawa angenhla kayi way 3 awu2 akhona fanele angalose angawini iAlhali neMC Alger eyodwa yabo ingawin game kule game esele
ukuze iLupopo ibe ne chance
yeah ukuze iLokhujana ibe ne chance cause uma ngabe iwina lo Lokhujana ama game ayi2
7
yabo bazoba no 10 points
umunye uzoba na 11
yabo uma ngabe izodlala neSundowns namhla of which is mancane amathuba ukuthi ingawina maningi amathuba ukuthi iLokhujana idliwe yadliwa sekuphelile ngayo kwiCAF because manje izoba na 7 points uma mayidliwa manje izosala ku 4 points yeah noma ingayiwina leyana izoba na 7
yeah ne
because laba iSundowns
7 na 8 lapho
yeah
iSundowns zoba na 8 Al-Hilal ibe na 8 na
yabo because Al-Hilal
Al-Hilal
na 8
number 1
MC Alger yiyo ena 7
showcase so yadliwa namhlanje ubudlane eMambi Sundowns done
it's done mfowethu
okay chai
it's done
then ungene kulama games eMC Alger then bese sayigoqa
yeah MC Alger number 2 idlale 5 games
7
points yeah we group
CAF Champions League
yeah idlalile neAl-Hilal yeah kwaba iloss yayo nge-21 November 2025 yadliwa away
okay
yeah ngo-1-0 yakora 1 goal Al-Hilal yashaya 2
ngoba 2-1
yeah then game ilandelayo 28 November ibhekene nani neMamelodi Sundowns
ekhaya yes
home bakhetha ukuthi ke bangakora lutho
yeah Marcelo Allende kwaba man of the match
umnandi ke ebholeni uma ningenzanga lutho noma lingenza ulutho olulinganayo niyanika 1-1 wama point
hayi
yabo okusho
For
ukuthi
trying.
isinawo upho u1 point cause yadliwa lo mdlalo oqala
Esibili yayi-draw.
sino 1 point
isithathu
26 January 2026
okay
yeah ibhekene nani neLupopo
yeah
away
aha
zakhala
bayishaya iLupopo ekhaya
no yilokhujani iAlja edliwayo
oh ishaya iLupopo futhi iLupopo inzima ekhaya
yabo
niSundowns ayiqaphela
yeah
umdlalo wesithathu loyo
imidlalo wesithathu loyo nakhona lelo goal lelo lagcina igcineni
oh ngiyakhumbula
ngo-90
uRulano
plus
frustrated
yabo
ezethu uzothengela
ukamputu.
uzorefund ama-fans ama-flight awo arawara
yeah then 1 February 2026
yes
seyihome iAlja nayo iLupopo
zakhala
yeah zakhala yakora amagori ayi2 iAlja yabo Kelly 53 minutes yabo elesibili uZakaria to the Zakarian ngengisho ukuthi to the Zakarian bani wajutshela ngo82 minutes yawina yathola u3 points wabo at home plus nale draw yeMamelodi Sundowns seku 4 points loyo ngomdlalo wabo wesithathu 74 points yeah umdlalo wokugcina
bawudlala ngo-Friday
yeah Friday lo siphuma kuwo bebhekene neAl Hilal
yeah
la khona bajukjela 2 goals Al Hilal yashaya 1
bawina 7
that
points
means u3 points loyo yeah
Plus
plus
four.
the log 4 7 points yahlala kanjalo ku number 2 iAl Hilal
yeah ne
yeah
so
overall lokhujana ke uwina
Alger.
kwawo in terms of home and away yabo away conceded 2 goals
okay
yeah 1 goal at home
okay
yeah baskora 4 goals bawakora phi la ekhaya
oh yeah
yeah
Away.
yakhumbula bashaye 2 goals Friday
yeah
yeah nomunye 2 goals
Bedlala neLupopo.
neLupopo
yes
seku 4 goals loyo yabo then bane draw ekhaya
yanilile mama Sundowns
belokhujana home bese kuba yini ama wins ayi2 lawa a home
yeah
yeah
then average how many points per game
kushuthi njengoba 7 points bawina imidlalo emibili
badlala ama-games awu-5
that means ama games ayi2 bawinile ba draw eyodwa bana 7 out of 5 that means it can be 1.4
Yeah.
yeah
per game
ama games abo ku5
so it's better than iMamelodi Sundowns it's better than iLupopo iLupopo average 1 points per game Mamelodi Sundowns 1.25 points per game 1.25 points per game iMC Alger average 1.4
yeah
then iAl Hilal average 1.6
number 1
so mangathi waqhubeka kanje abantu ba-average njengoba be-average nje oKhadoso futhi abantu abazohamba MC Alger iAl Hilal
ilokhujana emidlalweni wayo wokugcina iMC Alger
showcase
mayike yawina
aha
izoba no 10 points okuyibeka emathubeni amahle ukuthi ihambe
yani
last 16
last 16
now cause angiyazi igame yayo so if ineLupopo of which 7 games abayidlali kusho ukuthi ngaphakathi kweSundowns neAl Hilal okuhama tough games
isazodlala neSundowns
yabo okuyi tough game labo ke iAl Hilal fanele ishayele iSundowns neSundowns fanele ishayele iAl Hilal ukuze bayibeke emathubeni ukuthi babe unumber 2
iMC Alger
iMC Alger iSundowns fanele ishayele
yeah so iSundowns mayifuna ukuthi iqualify kune-MC Alger kumele ishaye ne-MC Alger kumele ishaye iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi iqualify
mayiwina sinawo 3 points okuyinika 8 points iSundowns then umdlalo wayo wokugcina fanele ishaye mayishaya iba oyizoya ku number 2 mayiwina namhlanje ikora amagora right
yeah
then umlandeli
ngaba number 1 futhi
umdlalo olandelayo ne mayikore kahle
mayikore kahle
bese kuthi number 2 or number 3 emidlalweni wayo yokugcina iSundowns iushaya then 100% guaranteed isinesihlalo kuphi kwi last 16 yeCAF okuyi-exam ihamba kanjalo ke indaba yeCAF Champions League ku group C la khona iMamelodi Sundowns unfortunately asena lutho for iConfed okwamanje sinalutho
so ithi into ngaxoshwa kwiCAF kwangena wena ngenxa ukuthi mina ngiyiwina ngeCAF so mina manje mangikushaya nawe uzoxoshwa ngoba iCAF ngeke uzuqualify
umfangidoso no Rulani
uRulani waxoshwa kuMamelodi Sundowns ngoba akayiwinanga iCAF kwa appointwa uKhadoso
so ichance yakhe
ichance yakhe ukuyiphinselela ukuprove ukuthi lo muntu wathatha umuntu obhedayo futhi so ikanjalo nje bafethu sizobuya ntambama with i-match analysis njengamanje bafethu sicabanga uyivala sibukhona ufuna ukusho before sivala
no akukho engingakusho kwamanje but ake sibheke after umdlalo weSundowns neLupopo ukuthi kukhona yini engikuphethe
okay bafethu siyayivala manje danke siyabonga